بسم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. We all who need to create data warehouse. Here you can build a data warehouse from scratch. Just stay with me and you will learn how to make a data warehouse using ETL and how to build OLAP and business intelligence. Let's start from that I have a database in my company. I built it. Its name is medical treatment. Okay, I have some tables. Each table is related with the other. So I can script this table to show the fields of this table like this. I can use this or some fields of this table to build another table in the new database, which is called medical treatment data warehouse. As we see here, first in the data warehouse, we have to make dimensions. Dimensions like tables in the relational operational database. First table or first dimension, we will create this dimension or DM tickets. Tickets somehow I have to make a ticket to the employee who need to go to a medical care contractor or medical care hospital doctor. We have to take a ticket from my system. This ticket go to medical care and the hospital or anyhow get the ticket back to us, which attached with prices. So we have to issue a ticket with a code and then receive the same ticket with the same code from the contract. Like we see, we have a ticket dimension, which we mentioned before, and HR data to get some data about employees. So we have either fact table have to combine the three foreign ID from the three dimension tables that we have seen before. Foreign keys. These foreign keys we see. Then we agree that we have three dimension HR data. We can show the diagram. The diagram show us that we have three dimensions joined with fact table with foreign keys. The first dimension, second dimension, and third dimension, period dimension. And the fact table has the primary ID and three foreign keys and measure data. Now we will talk about the second level of building data warehouse, how to get the data from different sources and put this data in the data warehouse which we created before. So we have to get this data and put it to the data warehouse in periods of time. And we have to schedule this time in a specific period. So we have to run this tool from Microsoft Service Integration Service project. So we will create this folder like this. Now we created a new project service SQL Server Integration service. For MT like this. Okay. Now we started a new project. At the first, we have to make a connection manager to connect to the source database and to connect to the destination database. First connection will be from my medical treatment database, which we mentioned before. Then we press new. Okay, you will write here the name of the server of medical treatment database, and we will choose MT database as the first source of our data warehouse sources. Okay. New connection. Okay. Again. Okay. Or it be connection. Okay. The same server. Okay. Have to write the full name of our server, and now we will choose the MTDW or data warehouse database. Test connection. Field. Okay. Okay. We have now two connections, and I try to find the sequence batch to run all my project as a sequence. So we have to select a sequence container, and we will drag and drop data flow task, and we will name it as HR data. So we will have to take another data flow task, and we will name it. We have to join one to another as a sequence like this. This dimension, every data flow task is consider it as a dimension. Second flow is period, and third flow is it will be a ticket dimension. I want the flow to be like this, exactly like this. HR first, period, and tickets. And HR from source, and period from another source, and ticket from the third source.